down, because see, it is a 10-point drop in the market, but we need a confirmation for the trend for the next day, that is on the Monday. The only confirmation we have is the major support. See, this 426 is a major support. On Friday the market has broke this support, and now this support 426 should act as a resistance for the market. So you can understand that if you go through our previous presentations on support and resistance, you can very well understand how a support is turning into resistance and a resistance is turning into support. So this support and resistance 426 is going to act as a resistance for us. So one thing we are sure about on Monday is that if the price is not going to break 426.5, or if you are not going to see any price, any closing above 426, then the market, that is the only confirmation we will have that the price can go down. So let us see on Monday what happened. After the opening, the price tried and tested this 426, but it still couldn't do anything with that level. So it consolidated. So slowly I am moving this time frame. This is a 7-minute time frame I have set here. So normally people use 5 minutes, 15 and 30. In order to look into the details of the market, we can I prefer only 7-minute market. So see, the market, it couldn't break this resistance, this 426. So it is a failure to break this resistance, and I have marked this as a support. 422 is going to be another major support for the market. Market exactly took the support at 426 and it tried to have maintain this support. After breaking the support, it's again a huge drop. It is again a 10-point drop in the copper market. So the closing is around 418. Around this zone the market closed, and the next day the market opened below the previous day's closing. So every time when you are trading, you should trace this open, close and support resistance. So open, close, support and resistance in coordination with the moving average can give us a very clear picture about the price movement. So on seeing this market, you see the next day the market opened lower. So again, this 422 should act as a resistance now. Before on the previous days it acted as a support, and once it was broken, it should act as a resistance for the market. Now you can see the price is not going back again. Around 416 it's taking a support from the market, and still it could not reach 422. So now we can very well say, if the price is for a price to go above, what should have happened is that, see, the complete trading session the market was trading down, and the closing was above the support 416. See, on 14th the price closed above the support and the market opened around 420.55. This is a very close call for the market, where we can see if the price is staying for that on 15th, if the price is going to stay above 426, and if there is any closing above 422, then we can say the market has gained some buying momentum. So let us see what happened on 15th. So probably since the price has opened above the previous day's closing, it is not an indication. Normally people used to think that since it has opened above, the price can go higher. It is just the price can go higher, but it is not a confirmation that the price would go higher. So let us see what happened on 15th also. The market tried to break this resistance out 422, but still it is a failure for the market. Again the price dropped. See, again the price dropped and trusted this 416. Now it is very clear that 416 is going to play a major role in this market. Let us see what had happened. Again it has broken that, and the next day also the price opened much lower and it has started. So it is a time where we should mark the next support level for the market. So the next support level is going to be 412. How I am marking this support level is that based on the previous history in the copper market. So you can very well see why I have marked this 412 as a support level for the market. It is a great support for the market. If you go through the charts for the previous on our previous day's presentation, you can see what this 412 means to the copper market. So it is again a major support for the copper market. So the copper market stayed here, and again see why I mean that it took the support here, and in the later session it went higher and it broke this 416, which we are saying that this 416 is going to be a major resistance. since it should act as a resistance. So there is only possibilities on 17th is that if the price is going to stay above 416, and if you are going to see any closing above 416, there can be 80% possibilities that the market can go higher. Let us see what happened on 17th also. So you know that 16th is going to be a resistance and 412 is going to be the support, and you see that price dropped again from 416. It is a failure to break. Again it stayed here in the evening session. It tried to break this 416, and again a failure caused the market to drop very heavily, and it is more than a 10-point drop in the copper market on Friday, and it closed around near 405, and now the price on Saturday market closing in MCX is 406.05. So on seeing why we are looking at the previous week presentation is that we want to position ourselves for the next week, how we can trade in copper for the next week. So let us see what are the possibilities, various possibilities where we can position ourselves in the next day's market, then the coming week market. So I'm going to draw these support lines, that is 402 and 406. So let us hope that the price is going to open. We don't know where the price is going to open on Monday. Just we can predict that we are very strong that the price is in the downtrend. There is no doubt about that. So there is a normal tendency for traders is that they try to pick the bottom. That is we want to pick the bottom so that we can make since it is a 10 and 15 point drop. So what we normally say is that let us buy here, at least 2 points it will go higher, then we can close the position. It is not like that. Only if we get a confirmation we can go for a buying, unless otherwise we cannot stay and we cannot trade against the trend. That is the key in our type of trading methods. So let us see what we can do for the coming week. So we should closely watch this 406 and 402, having this 412 as a reference line. So for the coming week, that is on 20th you cannot expect much movement in the copper market. It is just because 20th is going to be holiday for the US market for President's Day. So you don't rush for the market, don't rush into the market. Let us leave it and just watch, and we can take it off. So the next week, for the coming week, our plan is going to be the target is 412. We are going to target this line. Wherever the price is going to open, it is not a matter for us. We are going to position ourselves in this 412. So if we position ourselves in this 412, there are two possibilities. From 412 you can again get if the price is in a downtrend, you can get 402. It is again going to be a 10-point gain for us. If you are going to trade in copper mini or copper for how many lot, it is not a matter. So you should keep this 412 as a support level. Now it is going to be a resistance. Our zone now for trading is going to be around 412. So if you are targeting this 412, only if the price is going to close above this 412, you should remember that the price can go higher. Even if you buy here or there, it is not a matter. Only if the price is going to stay above 412, if there is any closing above 412 on Monday or Tuesday, then we can understand that the price can go higher. So what we can do is that surely what we can expect, this 402 is the very near target for us. If the price is going to open at 405 or something, we can expect this 402 to happen very immediately. So what we are going to do is that we are going to target this 412 as a reference line, and we are going to start trading in the initial thing for the selling. We are going to favor the sell trend, that is the downtrend which is prevailing in the previous week. So we are going to continue with the trend, but with our eyes on this 412. If there is any closing, if you see on Monday or Tuesday or somewhere, if you are going to see any closing above this 412, then we can decide based on the supports how much times the market has hit this 412, and we can proceed our trading in this direction. So consider this 412 as a reference line. So let us after making this 412 as a reference line, we can easily make some 10 points for the coming week. So this is how we can analyze the market. So let us see what's going to happen in the coming week. Happy trading, but you should closely watch again and again the presentation and see the various support and resistance level. So we can easily judge. If you are going to watch a presentation continuously without any very technical tools or something, based on support, resistance, and just by analyzing this high, low, open, close, and following simple moving averages, it is moving averages, we can very easily judge where the copper market is going to move. So happy trading for the next week. Thank you. Bye.